Miss Millennial Philippines 2019 is brought to you by Potency, Mega Sound Smart Pro Videoke, Philippine Airlines, Efficacent Oil, Nescafe Creamy White, Lola Remedios, Skyflakes, and Mang Inasal.
Feel the beauty of the Queen City of the South with Sinulog Festival Queen 2019. Nicole Yance Borromeo, Miss Millennial Cebu 2019.
From the cradle of Christianity to being ranked the second best island in Asia, ako ay si Nicole Yance Borromeo, proudly representing the home of the grandest festival, Sinulog, Cebu! Viva Pit Señor! Viva Cebu! Oh, it's from the Sinulog Festival.
Teka, ayan,
Forward
kasi si
tayo
Nicole
ng
yung
konti.
Sinulog
Sample, you wanna
Festival
join
Queen.
Me? Sige nga, can you teach us?
Ah, sige.
Yes po, ang movements are inspired from the word Sinulog, which is like, it means to dance like the current. Like
Dance
the
like the
water.
current. Okay.
Yes po, okay. This is the move. Step forward.
One step forward, one step back.
Yes po. Like, you're holding Señor Santo Niño here, and you one step.
Yan, galing talaga si Pia magsayaw.
Wow! Coming from you!
Team!
Alam naman natin na ang reigning Miss Millennial natin ay taga Cebu, si
Yes
Shyla
po.
Rebortera. Do you feel any pressure dahil syempre big expectations from you as the representative of Cebu
Ng
this year?
ngayong year na to.
How do you feel about that?
Well, for me, I think what I need to focus on right now is myself and not think about the pressure or the competition. Otherwise, if I keep focusing on all the things that could go wrong, I'm not going to have a fun time. And I think I should just enjoy this one.
Hindi naman siguro. Grabe ka naman sa sarili mo.
And syempre focus on showing the rest of the world how beautiful your province is.
Yes. So ito, mas mamamangha pa tayo sa Cebu. Ang Cebu ay tinaguri ang Queen City of the South.
Yes
Tama
po.
ba? Dahil
Cebu is known as the Queen City of the South because it's a tourist attraction. It's got so many places to go to, 1,000 journeys, and it is also the center of the Philippines, and it is containing a lot of potential.
Yun na nga, a lot of people have been to Cebu. Tapos, ang feeling nila tuloy, parang, we've seen it all.
Okay.
Totoo ba yun, Nicole?
Hindi! Kasi para sa akin, there are so many places for you to visit in Cebu.
So, kakaiba tong mga ipapakita niyo sa atin ni...
Yes po.
Ni
Hindi yung
Dabarkad's
usual.
Paolo.
We're more than just the beaches po. Maraming paraan to explore and experience the beauty of Cebu. These can range from unwinding on relaxing beaches to historical discoveries. It's no wonder that Cebu is also known as the gateway to 1,000 journeys. Kaya, dayon ka mo sa among probinsya. Magsadya kita! Tara, magsuroy-suroy, Cebu na ta! From tasty mouthful goodies to rich culture and history, Cebu is truly a blissful destination that will fascinate you in a lot of ways. Kuyugi ko, ipasigarbo ta ang Cebu! Kuya Pao, nandito ka pala!
Yeah, ang ganda rito, no? Tell me, saan pa ba magandang punta ito?
Maganda lahat!
Lahat?
Lahat, Kuya Pao! Come on, samahan kita!
Sige. Sige, o sige. Lumandas pa ako. Iniwan ako. Hoy! Teka lang!
Kuya Pao, nandito tayo sa first location natin. Come here! Welcome to Marmal Cliff ng Tuburan!
Ganda, ang sarap pag-swimming.
If perfect camping experience ang hanap nyo, perfect na perfect talaga ang Malubog Lake para sa inyo. Kuya Pao, pupunta tayo doon!
Dapat dito.
Doon! This is it, guys! Let me up!
What's up with Karkar?
Well, Kuya Pao, we have this dance, and I'd like to show it to you from the Kabkabat Festival. We are finally here at the tallest mountain here in southern Cebu. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Matmat Chicharon, the home of the tastiest, crispiest, and the best chicharon here in Cebu. Bohol River is part of the top 100 global sustainable destinations since 2016. O, diba? Nag-enjoy kayo? The feeling is the same, mga Dabarkads. So, ano ang hinihintay nyo? Come and enjoy Cebu! Ang bubuo Cebuhay mo! I'm Nicole Yansa Borromeo, your Miss Millennial Cebu 2019. Ang pinaka-favorite? Ang Bohol River.
River.
Yes,
And
po.
you were telling us, how far is this halimbawa from Mactan?
Around 3 hours po.
3 hours
3
by
hours.
land.
Yes.
Pero sulit naman.
Oo, pagdating mo doon, di ba? For sure talagang wow. Mamamangha ka nga talaga sa ganda ng Cebu.
Kung kakaiba yung mga pinasyalan nila, kakaiba rin ba ang dala ni Nicole? First off, let's talk about the lechon.
Of course.
Tell us about the lechon.
Well, Cebu is known for its lechon. According to world chef Anthony Bourdain, it is considered the best pig ever, the ones from Cebu. So this one here, we have Celia's lechon from Talisay. And Talisay actually has a festival called Halad Inasal, where they do display lechon in their dances.
May fiesta yung lechon.
Yes po.
Ang cute.
Ganun sila ka-special.
Oo.
Tapos, your
Aside from
favorite?
lechon,
Ang Rosquillos po. I'm gonna hold it again.
ayan, parang mga galletas.
Ang Rosquillos po, it was created by a woman named Titay. And it
Okay.
started off as a store. Like, with her store, whenever people would buy a soft drink or anything, she would also give them her home-baked secret
Biscuits.
recipe biscuits.
Okay.
And
may
when-
free taste.
Yes po. And when she was asked, like, bakit? Why is it called, like, what is it called? And she was like, I don't know. So they created a name for it. They called it Rosquillos. Kasi it looks like a rosca or like a small little
Roscas.
ringlet.
Oo.
Yeah, and then you can like put it on your finger. It was my childhood po.
pala yun.
Like,
High trip lang pala yun.
Oo.
Sorry
Favorite
po.
ko yan, si Rosquillos.
At
Aside
anong-
from Rosquillos,
Ano
meron
naman
pa.
itong?
Ano yung
Bakasi.
nilarang na bakasi?
Bakasi in English means eel.
Eel.
Yes po.
Okay.
It was featured on Netflix.
Okay.
Street Foods,
Oh.
yes. Because in Cordoba, Cebu, it's very abundant, the eels, and they wanted to like showcase something different other than the fish.
So yung
Ginawa na
eel,
nila.
anong kasing luto
Anong
yan?
luto yung
Maasim?
nilarang?
It's similar to nilarang po, like soup.
Para siyang
Yeah, like,
sinigang.
Para siyang
Sinigang.
sinigang.
Yeah,
So
may
medyo
asim
maasim
ng
na
konti.
siya.
Tuwan-tuwa.
Gusto mo?
Enjoy na enjoy yung dalawa, oh.
Ang dami na po nilang kinain.
And of course, ito yung pinuntahan ninyong Chicharon Factory.
Na niluto nila.
Ang sarap nung itsura nung hinahamon.
Yes,
Yung
no?
fresh.
I tried actually like holding the
Ikaw nagluto.
po, yes. And you can pair that with vinegar. And ang lechon, ang chicharon, gusto ko mag-prepare with puso or hanging rice. Have you
Oh, ito ba yun?
Ayun.
Yes po, puso.
Ito.
Actually, last year, Shyla's outfit
Oo
of the
nga.
day was actually inspired
Yung gown niya
by
may
the puso.
ganito.
Yes.
Ano, Jose, masarap ba?
So, ito daw, kapartner daw ng chicharon. Rice.
No, rice or lechon po.
Alright.
Para full meal. Full meal.
Kung makapasyal sa Visayas, lalo na sa Cebu, check out Nicole's Budget Tour Tips on Eat Bulaga's Facebook page.
Visit nyo lang po yan. At maraming salamat sa mga kababayan ni Miss Millennial Cebu para sa mga pasalubong, lalo na po sa tourism at local government ng Cebu. Thank you.
At i-follow lang si Miss Millennial Cebu sa kanyang social media accounts for more updates about her province.
At may regalo din kami, Nicole, para sa'yo mula naman sa mga kasama namin naghahatid ng Miss Millennial Philippines. May gift pack ka from Potency, the beauty of immunity.
May matatanggap ka rin Mega Sound Smart Pro Video Experience Music and more. May more than 80,000 songs ka na. May free 2-year song update ka pa. At meron ka rin efficient oil, araw-arawin mo. Ang Miss Millennial Philippines ay inihatid din ng Nescafe Creamy White. Mas masarap ang buhay pag walang pait. Mang Inasal, 2-in-1 laki, luot sa sarap.
Ng Lola Remedios All-Natural Supplement. Lola Remedios, Remedios ng Pinoy.
At ng Skyflakes, asahan mo.
At ng Philippine Airlines, fly with Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Miss Millennial Philippines 2019 grand winner will receive 500,000 pesos. She will move into her house and lot from Lysandra. Angat ka dito. And drive home a brand new Suzuki Ciaz GLX. She will also wear the crown, which stands for the strong, independent young Filipina who has a heart for her hometown. It's a crown pit for the next Miss Millennial Philippines.